Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Dylan in Tennessee on this Galaxy Pluto. Dylan went through and truck rides this thing for you, set it all up. You wanted a variable put on your SWR cow, and that's what we did. 5-watt slug, all the way up there a little over 5 watts, maybe 6. I'm going to show you average power with a 100-watt slug. Lord, 17 watts of average power. Gonna go show you peak. Low audio. Hello, 1, 2, 3. 40 peak watts, Dylan. I hope you enjoy this unit. We're going to get it out to you tomorrow from Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.